And with me right now is Estelle D'Annunzio, and Estelle is with the Theater Guild. So I'd like to welcome you today.
Thank you.
Always good to see you.
You too.
And Estelle's done so many things here in the village with the Theater Guild, and then you've been on other programs that we've had, and yeah, acting and singing and all kinds of stuff, right?
Yeah, singing is my favorite thing, but I've done more acting since I've been here, and I love it all. I really do.
Yeah, and of course with the Theater Guild and all the other different options that we have here, it's perfect for you.
It is.
Yeah, so we're going to talk about a couple things that are coming up with the Theater Guild, and this one fits right in for you, right? The Broadway Sing-Along.
Yeah, well, I went to one at Saddleback College recently, and I thought, what a great vehicle for Theater Guild program. Give Mary Zolli a break for a month, and I'll take it over. And it's going to be April 18th at our regular meeting at 7 o'clock in Clubhouse 7. And we will have all the words printed out, and we will have some leaders who will help people along. Mark Hochberg, our resident pianist, will be playing, as always. He's amazing, plays everything by ear. And, you know, we're doing a couple of rehearsals with the leaders. And then we have a few surprises, and we have the Tappers going to be doing a few numbers. And we hope everybody will come and sing out and have a good time. And, you know, as usual, we will have Carla and her refreshments, which have become popular in itself. She goes to a lot of trouble. She has a committee that chops.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
And she tries to make healthy things. And it's not dinner, people, but, you know, come and have a snack and sing with us. That'll
be a lot of fun. And even if you aren't a member, you can arrive there. It's $5. Do they need advance reservations or just show up?
No reservations. Okay. We usually have room for everyone.
Okay, so that's not tomorrow, but next Thursday.
Next Thursday, the 18th.
Doors open at 6:30 over at Clubhouse 7.
Right.
That'll be a lot of fun.
Yeah, I hope so. I hope people will come and participate. That's what we're all about.
Any certain songs you can tell us that you're working on?
Well, yes. We have from My Fair Lady, I Could Have Danced All Night. We have Oklahoma, from Oklahoma. Yeah. We have All That Jazz.
Okay.
From Chicago, and come and see the rest.
All right. That'll be a lot of fun. Now you have other programs coming up. One is your monthly meeting, your May 16th program. But before we get to that, people that just want to sign up to be part of the Theater Guild, we were talking beforehand, and whether you want to act or not, but you often say that you need people who would like to help backstage and volunteer for other parts that are needed within the Theater Guild.
Yes, you know, we love it when people sign up and become members and just come and enjoy our programs and support us in our shows at Clubhouse 3 or Performing Arts Center, excuse me. I've been here 7 years.
Yeah, I know. I still do that.
So, but we do need people backstage, and we're happy to train people. We need people to do props, stage manager, audio, and we can't do a show without those backstage people. So
no, you can't.
Even though many of us like to be center stage, we rely and appreciate those people. So if you don't feel that you want to be on stage, but you'd like to participate, you know, please let us know, and someone will be very happy to show you the ropes.
Yeah, and you know, backstage, I've done both years and years ago back in high school. Backstage can be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Because you don't really have that pressure.
Much responsibility.
But in many cases, depending what you do, you really help the actors out. And you're really, even though you have the director, the acting director, you're directing them back there. You're the one taking the actor saying, you need to be here, get ready to go, you're on in 2 minutes or whatever, or get their props ready, make sure they're all ready to go, and it's a lot of fun.
Well, and also you make friends.
Yes.
And then when you come to a meeting, you know people to say hi or to sit with, and it just makes it a lot more comfortable if people are actually involved.
Yeah.
So also I'd like to mention that Jeannie Sanner has resumed her academy this semester, and classes are going on now. I'm not sure if people can still sign up, but I know that there was a class for stage management and audio and acting, of course, which Jean teaches.
Yeah, she does.
And
very
hopefully
good at that.
she'll be doing it again, but it's something for people to look into and look out for when it's advertised.
Yeah, it's very well done. Now, your May 16th program, the ladies of the Sizzlin' Seniors are former Miss Senior California, Miss Senior America participants.
Yes.
And this is in May, but tell me about this.
This is in May. Our very own Jean Madigan and Al Hicks are involved with this group outside of the village. And they say, along with 3 good men, they perform for senior centers in Orange and LA counties, and in the summertime at the Orange and Del Mar fairs. They have performed in Las Vegas and Laughlin and in New Orleans during Mardi Gras.
Oh, wow.
And their age range is from 72 to 91.
Very good.
Yeah, it's incredible.
So you see all the fun they have with the Theater Guild?
Yeah. And
the way you can start out is go to their next meeting, which is April 18th, and get involved and, you know, get to know them. And as Estelle has said, they need people behind the scenes. They need them to help out, even ushering and all kinds of stuff.
Yes, there was a class for that too.
Even if you don't want to act, doesn't matter. There's many, many other roles that you can be a part of, right?
That's right.
All right, very good. People can find out the Theater Guild is, of course, on our club pages, and you can find out about things there. Or next Thursday, April 18th at 6:30 at Clubhouse 7, join them. Even if you don't want to sing, that's part of it.
But sing.
But sing. But if you want to go along and just enjoy and see what it's all about, I encourage you to. And guests are $5, members are free, of course, but join them and try and sing. You wouldn't want to hear me sing.
Well, we would drown you out.
Okay. Yeah, please. Yeah, you'll definitely need to drown me out. Good to see you.
Thank you
very much. Say
Thank
hi to
you,
everyone
Ken.
for me. We'll be right back.
Okay.